Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. In this video, we are going to talk about choice questions. Choice questions are questions that offer a choice. They are made up of two parts, which are connected by the conjunction OR. Example, do you like outdoor games or indoor games? Does she like ice creams or chocolates? Let us learn more about this. We have here so many examples. Do you like outdoor games or indoor games? So here the two parts are there. This question, it has two parts. So here we have, do you like outdoor games, outdoor or indoor games? So or is, it is a conjunction which is, connected. The question is connected by the conjunction. So here, do you like outdoor or indoor games? So we have choice here. So answer is outdoor games. Does she like ice creams or chocolates? So here, or is a conjunction. Okay, so it gives us a choice. So here, does she like ice creams or chocolates? Answer is chocolates. Is he a teacher or a student? Again we have here or. Okay, is he a teacher or a student? So answer is he is a student. Next one, what would you like to drink? Coffee or tea? Here we have, you can notice or. So what would you like to drink? Coffee or tea? So answer is I would like to drink coffee. Next one, did you buy this house or did your parents? Answer, my parents did. So here or, you can notice or conjunction. Next one, what would you like to have in breakfast? Dosas or sandwiches? Sandwiches or dosas, two options are there. So choice, we have choice. So or is a conjunction. So what we have to do, sandwiches. First of all, I would like to say about this one, sandwiches. Many of us, we do the mispronunciation of this word, sandwiches. Sandwiches is wrong, sandwiches. Here D is silent in this word. So I can give example. So this is sandwiches, not sandwiches. Sandwiches is wrong pronunciation. Sandwiches, D is silent. Similarly, I can give one more example. Wednesday. Most of us, we pronounce it Wednesday. Actually, here also D is silent. So we have to say it is not Wednesday, it is Wednesday. Wednesday. Sandwiches. So just D is silent here in Wednesday, and sandwiches, here also D is silent. So here what is the question? What would you like to have in breakfast? Dosas or sandwiches? So choice is there, sandwiches. Next one, where would you like to go? A park or zoo? So what is the answer? Of course, zoo. So these are choice of questions. You can understand easily, the choice of questions are made up of two parts and it is connected by conjunction or. These are called the choice of questions. One more thing we have here, one more type, MCQ. This is a very common questions. Every one of us, we know that MCQ, multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions are not very easy. So we have options in the multiple choice questions, but we get distractors. Distractors means we get confusion. We get confused in selecting the proper or correct answer. Here we have some examples. Which bird is the national bird of India? Which bird is the national bird of India? Peacock, parrot, eagle. Three options are there. So answer is, of course, peacock. Peacock is answer, but we get confused by in between peacock or parrot, because a parrot is also very beautiful bird and most of us, we like parrot also. So somebody may get confused or they might get confused about the peacock or parrot. So distractor is, here we have distractor, parrot. Next one, which flower is the national flower of India? Again we have options here, rose, lotus, lily. Of course, answer is lotus, but here we have another one more distractor, rose. Rose is a very beautiful flower, and most of Indians or most of the people of India or around the world, they like rose. So here one more confusion, little bit confusion will be there between these two choices. What are the two choices? Rose and lotus. So lotus and rose, both are, what I can say, beautiful flowers. Of course, answer is lotus, but we get little bit confusion in selecting these two options. So rose is what we can say a distractor in this option. Next one, last one, which bird is the national bird of America? So here options are eagle, vulture and owl. Eagle, vulture and owl. Again we have distractor here, vulture and eagle. The answer is eagle, but vulture also is in a kind of similar bird. It looks similar to eagle. So here one more distractor, or we get little bit confusion in selecting the right answer. So I hope you have understood this lesson, choice of questions. Thank you for watching my videos.